Hi viewers, this is Dr. Gunamani Jana and you are watching video with me on basics of HTML. This video is specially designed for the second year students and also for advanced learners who are going for static web page design as well as the dynamic web page design. In this part 1, we will be covering three things. First one, the basics of HTML, the tags, the links, the list, the tables, images, forms, audio, video and frames. So all the things will cover in details because these are the objects or these are the elements we'll be using inside the static HTML pages. The next part will be going for this cascading style sheet, how we can go for the beautification of this whatever the design you are making using HTML. And the third part, to make it dynamic, will be going for this introducing the scripting language like the JavaScript. The JavaScript will be giving the concept of objects in JavaScript, and we go for the dynamic HTML with the JavaScript. So these are the things we are going to cover in this thing, and the aim is that every students, irrespective of these branches and the specializations, they can have the minimum knowledge how to go for designing the static HTML pages or static web pages. And I hope, because you are having a number of clubs, you are having a number of activities, so you will have the basic informations how you can design the static HTML just after completion of this video. Okay, so the thing is that if you like this type of videos, you please do subscribe and as well as also write your comments. We want the part 2. Definitely I will be working on that to help you how we can go for these dynamic web pages. Thank you. So now you are welcome to these things. Now immediately I am going for creating some pages, web pages and all things. What actually you need for this thing? For example, we need, because you know about this HTML, that is the hypertext markup language. Hypertext, it is just like providing some links, because all the details we cannot keep in one page or one frame or one place. So what we do, we keep it in some other places and provide a link to one word, one sentence. While clicking this link, the details can be covered or it can be shown. That is the purpose of this hyperlink. And markup is just like a presentation language. As you see, what we present in a newspaper, we cannot change it. It is not dynamic. You get it now? So in that case, so whatever things you type in HTML, it is static in nature, so it will be fixed until we change that one. It won't change automatically. So, and language, you know, so this is altogether we call it as a hypertext markup language. How do you write an markup language? Say for example, you can use any of the editor. Here I am using one of the editor. I am using this Sublime. Okay, I am using Sublime 3. Suppose first time you click it here and you find something like that. This is the a new file is started. So you can save it as Control S, and I give it a name to this one. So hello.html, right? What is the file name? Hello.html. It's clear. So once you have written hello.html and save it here, you can see hello.html already. Okay, no, hello. Okay, just I am writing you are just I am writing, right? So this is the file name, it is created hello html. So while you are using these things like Sublime, how we can create the tags automatically? Just you see here, I am just pressing the this one, your less than, and typing HTML. So while it is selected HTML, I think just I have not typed anything, just I have written less than and HT. Just press the tab button. Just press the tab button. Can you see? After pressing, the entire syntax is appearing in front of you. I have not typed anything. So in the title, you can write my first program, FIRST, first program, PROG. Okay. So what you have written, my first program. The body, you can write something. Say I write a paragraph here. So you see the P is coming. Yeah, it is coming. In this paragraph, you whatever things you want, you can write it here. Okay. Say suppose I want to welcome you all. Hello. Okay, hello. Yeah, you just type it. Hello. Welcome you. Welcome. Hello, welcome everyone, everyone, right? So this is the thing I have done, and save it with the control S, right? So what is the file name? File name I have given hello, and where it is there? So I have, you see here the class path in the E drive. I have created a folder HTML. There I am having the folder again HTML basics. There I am having hello ur.html, right? So if you come on here, that is in the D drive already I created. So hello ur file will be created here, right? So inside this A B C D, let me see where it is created. Let me check it. It is there at some other places. I think it is GHH1. HTML basic it will there, right? So yeah, at the end or somewhere it will there, you can check it. Hello ur, can you see it here? Just I click it here, you can see the running hello, welcome everyone, something like that it is appearing. Can you see the output? So where you are saving that path name and everything you have to remember. Okay, I have written E drive HTML basics hello ur.html, and the output you are clearly able to see this one, right? So like that you can write a number of programs. So the first program what I have written, that is hello ur, that is the first program. Suppose I want to create some program, like I am showing you the program number 1, right? So in the program number 1, I can 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, I'll be talking about the heading. So what is this heading? We are having different type of heading: heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, up to heading 6. Different type of heading we are having. So that means the font size will be different, and font style also it will be little different. Heading 1 it will bigger and bolder. Next is the heading 2 up to heading 6. 6 number of headings are there. So I am writing. So the same way I have created a program. The program name I have given 1 header.html. This is the program number 1. So here this less than exclamatory dot type. So it shows that it belongs to some HTML type, and it is the HTML. Then the tag, it is starting with the HTML tag and the closing tag HTML. So the purpose of this HTML tag, it is that so it will indicate the browser, whatever the browser you are using, that after this it is the HTML file. Okay, so you know that for HTML we don't need any separate softwares. What we need, whatever the browser we are having, whatever the operating system we are using, by default browser will be there. For example, in Microsoft we have the Internet Explorer, and we can also go for Chrome, we can go for Opera, we can go for a number of things are there. Okay, Fox Pro, all the various things are there, right? So this type of browser by default it will support all this HTML, and especially we are using the HTML5 now, right? So now in this HTML file, we start with a tag, we call it as the HTML. This opening tag, you know, so inside the less than and greater than sign, something are writing HTML, and the closing HTML. So when I am running this program, the browser first it will search, and when it find this tag, it will understand the inside everything it is HTML, so it will run it there. So no separate software is required. I need not install anything, I need not configure anything. So this is the thing. Can you see here? So I just press, just types less than, then ht, after that press tab, the entire syntax it will appear. Then the title I have written document space title, and the heading 1 I have written heading 1 enchanted set, heading 2 something, the same thing I repeated, and the paragraph, once upon a time there was a great king who was always sad. So whatever things, that is a story. So now this is there, and control S for saving all the things. So you remember this is 1 header.html. So you go to the program here, 1 header.html. Can you see it here? So because I am having so many programs, to identify that one I am putting 1 header.html. This is the file. So if you double click here, I can clearly see. Can you see the different headings? The heading 1 it is bold and little bigger, it is showing enchanted set. Heading 2 something, and heading 5 heading, and the paragraph what I have written inside the P, once upon a time there was a great king who was always sad. The content goes here, something like that. If you again come back and check it here, then you find inside the paragraph is just P, the tag are using P, opening tag P and closing tag P. So inside that what I am writing a paragraph, whatever the comment sentences you are writing, Before that I have given the heading 1, heading 2, heading 5. You can type the same thing with heading 1 to heading 6, h1, h2, h3, h4, h5, h6. I am giving the assignment to you, and you can do, and you can see the difference. What is heading 6, the last one, it is a very smaller one. Even if it is later, it is less than the regular fonts what we are using, but anyway according to a requirement we sometimes the heading, subheading, like that we can use all the things, fine. So then immediately we are going for the second program. The second program for this thing, I am going to the how you write in the body, right? So here I am writing, you see here I created another program, that is 2body.html. So in this HTML you see one is the head section, one is the body section. In the head section we are having a title. Suppose I am writing the Queen's rival. This is another story there here. Inside the body I am writing document body here. The king had a beautiful queen and she was ever unhappy. The story goes here. Some story you are writing it there, right? Now you see in the head sections we have a title. In the title I have written it there. In the body some paragraph or something, document body, it is to be printed here, right? So with this what we do, we will be able to write a paragraph and we will be able to run it there also. Now we have successfully written the paragraph. Now I want to run this one. So simply what you do, we have to go to, okay, we have to go to that file where it is there and just double click, it will run, okay. So now I am going to show you how it run, okay. So yeah, just you take 1 minute break just. So now I am going to run this program. You see here this is the 2 body. Can you see it here? Just double click it here. Can you see it here? The document body, it is going here like this, okay. So the file name, whatever I am saying, is the Queen's rival. Can you see it here? The name it is showing Queen's rival, right? The title means whatever the title, it will appear here. The program name it will appear here, but the title appear Queen's rival. You can see it here. And the document body, what are there? The king had a beautiful queen and she was ever unhappy. Can you see it here? So in this way we can do all these things. Then immediately I am going for running the third program or showing the third program. If you see the third program, then you come on here and we can go to our yeah. So if you see the program number 3, program number 3 I am running and showing you there also immediately. Just check it, where is the program number 3. This is the different heading also. I told you that we can go for the different heading. Here I have clearly shown the heading 1 to heading 6, heading 1 to heading 6, right? This is the heading example, for example, right? So heading, that is same thing. This is a heading, this is a heading 1 2 3 4 5 with h1 heading, how it looks, h2 h3 up to h6 how it looks, okay. So what is the file name? The file name is 3heading.html. So I go to the 3heading.html. So this is the 3heading.html. If I click it here, now boom, you can see here the heading 1, what is the font size and how bold. Then this is the heading 2, this is the heading 3, this is heading 4, heading 5, heading 6. Heading 6 is very smaller and all things. Now whatever the different type of heading you want to use, you can use it here. Just you have to put it h1 to h6 tag. h1 opening closing h1, opening h2 closing h2, like that you can go and try all things, right? So this is, you have to successfully run this third program. Then I am going for this fourth program. The fourth program we are going to run how to write paragraphs, okay. See in a page we can have different number of paragraphs. Paragraphs is continuous sentences, 4 5 6 or whatever things are there. That we, because for the beautification and for a proper meaning, we divide the page into some paragraph. Minimum 2 to 3 paragraphs will be there. But here I have shown you a sample how to go for the paragraph. Paragraph doesn't mean that only one sentence. It can be a number of sentences, 5 sentences, 10 sentences, one paragraph. So for creating paragraph, that we do it inside the body section. You see the tag body and the closing tag body. And here inside the body you can use the tag P, opening tag P, you can see it here, and closing tag P. Suppose here is the first paragraph of text, here is the second paragraph of text, here is the third paragraph of text. So all the things whenever you do, so this is there the program number 4 paragraph.html, okay. So now you go to that 4 program 1 4 paragraph. Here you see you are having one paragraph, this is the second paragraph, this is the third paragraph. Like that you can do a number of small things here. I hope you are following. So immediately we go for the program number 5, okay. The program number 5, it is just a line break. Can you see here? So see how we go for a line break. You see, if you write a sentence here and after that without the line break you write here, automatically it will take in one line. It will not go for the line break. That means what is the line break? So one line you are writing, then it is creating another new line below that one. So suppose I am writing P hello without a line break B here. Below that I am writing U. Even if you are writing it here when we are running, all will be continuous. There will be no line break. To create a line break, you have to put it BR that tag, and there is no opening closing tag for this tag where here only write BR, then slash, this is the forward slash, and then close the tag, right? Get it now? So this is the line break BR for creating. So what I have written hello, after hello one new line is created, and after this you delivered your assignment on time, another break, and thanks another break, some Madhav something like that, or whatever things you write your name, Tapas, no need Madhav, you write anything, say Tapas or Tanmay, Tanmay, right? Okay, so this is the thing, control S, right? So these are the things. Then if you run this program, you got it now. This is the program number 5. I go to the program number 5 here and I run this program. Use the line break. With the line break, what you see? You see hello. After that, you put a line break. It is new line is created. You delivered your assignment on time. A line break was there. Thanks. A line break is there. Tanmay, line break is there. So now in this way, if you want to create some line break, you can use the BR tag to create a line break here, right? So then immediately after that, I am going for the program number 6. So program number 6, what we do, we go for some alignment. So you create a new file, give the name 6align.html. If you find it here, the title I am putting aligning the content examples. So in the paragraph, this is, see, I am writing the body paragraph, one paragraph I am writing. This text is not in the center. First it is there. While it is in the center, this text is in the center. I am writing it there in the center. So for writing this, creating in the center tag, so I am writing CENTR, the tag center, and closing tag center. Okay, then close the body, close the HTML. So in this way, you are able to create, and you can go for left alignment, right alignment, everything you can do it here. Hello. So for example, so I want to go for the right alignment. Okay, so I put it RIGHT, RIGHT. Can you see it here? RIGHT, right. Okay, can you see it here? So this is the right tab. So no, it is not coming. Control Z, right. So you have to write a paragraph. Inside the paragraph it is better. Better. Okay, you can create the right and left, everything whatever you want, you can create it there. So now let us test this program. So control S, this is the program number 6. If I run this program number 6, you can clearly see, can you see it here, the output? It is showing this is the text not in the center, and this is in the center. You can see while I am going for the central alignment, it is appearing in the center of this page. Here by default the left alignment. If you want to put the right alignment, so it will be here at the extreme right, here it will be there. Got it now? So like this you can go for the various alignment here, and justify is also there, left alignment, right alignment, as well as the justify is also there for you, that you can use there, right? So next we are going for the program number 7. In the program number 7 you will be happy to see it here. Again I am going for the 6 NSBP. What is the meaning of that one? That is non-breaking space example, NSBC, non-breaking. So an example of these techniques appears in the movie. So like that, whatever things that, so I am writing 1 2 angry man. Okay, are you getting with that, what I am telling, that non-breaking space? Okay, 1 2, and for that non-breaking, what you are putting the tag, and NBSP and NBSP. Okay, so what the output will come, you see the output here. Inside the body I am writing a paragraph, inside the paragraph the content, and after that what I am writing on double quotations, 12 and NBSP semicolon angry and NBSP semicolon man. Okay, so if I run this program, you can automatically enter this, the program number 6. So I go for running the program number 6 here, NBSP. So run it here. Can you see here? So are you following me? So this is NB space, it is just like providing a space. Can you get it now? So if you by default provide 12 space angry, it will not take, it will take continuous. It doesn't understand that one. So 12 and NBSP angry NBSP you get, and after NBSP you are putting a semicolon, that you remember, don't forget that one. Okay, so see 12 and NBSP semicolon, angry and NBSP semicolon, that means between these just I am putting one space, right? So in this way you can write all the things. This is the program number 6 we there. Then I am going for the program number 7. Say I will show you the different alignment left, center, right. Okay, this is the left aligned, this is center aligned, this is the right aligned. All things you can do it here inside the paragraph, right? So now you understand. I think there is no trouble in explaining all the things. So for this body I am writing 3 paragraph P. So first one is the left alignment, align is equal to left, right alignment, align is equal to center, center alignment, right alignment, align is equal to right. So all the things you can put it. This is also another way with the property, paragraph property. Align is equal to left. Previously I am writing center, here I am writing P. Align is equal to left. This is the one in the paragraph property, and here P align is equal to center, and here P align is equal to right. See, you see, align is equal to center, left, etc. They are in double quotations. So with the paragraph, with the tag P, opening tag, close the greater than sign here, and then close the paragraph tag here. Get it now? So if you write it like this and save it and try to run this one, what is the program number? Program number 7, right? So if you try to run this program number 7, so you can see the alignment, and clearly you can see this is the left aligned, this is the center aligned, this is the right aligned. So you can also do things like this, and it is very convenient for you to creating this type of alignment inside the paragraph, right? Then one more thing I am going to tell you, that sometimes we are going for the nested HTML. Okay, in the nested HTML, what we do it here, you see it here. Say for example, I am writing some italic, or I am writing something underline, all the things I want to put it here. So how I do? So I created a that H1. What is that H1? Heading H1. So this is italic. So this italic letter will appear here. I okay, italic heading. Then this is underlined. So you can see, understand, when I am using U, tag U, closing tag U, this whatever the word I am writing in between, so it will be underlined. A line appear below that one. Italic means it will bend towards right hand side, right? So this is the paragraph, this is the thing, it is 7. So in the 7, if you try to run this program in 7, the nested, you see it here. So you can see here, this is italic, it is coming italic letter here, and this is underline, this underline also it is coming here as it is, right? So in this way you can go for this type of thing. And another thing I will show you, that I am going sometimes for preserving the code. Say suppose I am writing something in the HTML, I want to create something like that, a function, test functions, because this is the indentation and everything is done here. You get it now? And I want to preserve as it is, because if you directly write in the HTML, it will not understand what is the indentations, what is the space, etc. It will not understand. So if you put it inside the tag pre means preservation, what will happen? Let us see. That means in the PRE, whatever you are writing inside the PRE, how you have written as it is, it will appear there. Okay. Now see and run this program, that is 7 PRE. Yeah. Now you can clearly see. Can you see it here? The function, etc. How you have written this program there, the same thing as it is appearing there. Okay. While you are writing some coding, etc. Inside the HTML, you can use the preservation like that. You can run it here. Fine. So then we are going for another thing, that is the quote. Say sometimes we will be using some quote, single quote, double quote, etc. You check it here. So the double quote I am writing. So Amit is in Spain. Q is the single quote. I think I am wrong. Something Q like that. Amit has done these things. What is Amit? Okay. G generated. G Jana is in Spain. I have visited already Spain. Barcelona I have gone. I think I am wrong. Now I am not there, because that time I was there, right? So Control S, write it there. So then if I run this program, that is, what is the program name? Program is 7 code. Okay. So I go to the 7 and I put it here, the code. If you check it here, what is G Jana is in Spain. I think I am wrong. That is coming under a quote. Okay. Double quotation, it is coming. So okay. So how it has come, that I will show you here. That Q is for the quotation Q. So that means when you write this tag q and opening tag, closing tag, in between what in that will come under a quotation, right? So this is the thing. Some suppose some RTL HTML. So you want to put some right to left direction, RTL, right to left, okay? Right to left, remember, right to left character, directed text. Then how you write all things? So for that, what you do, title at the body is there, this is the idea body, okay? So only HTML, the direction you have to put it here, RTL, remember, here only in the HTML property, right, direction is equal to under double quotation, that is RTL, right? So you see this program, while I am running this program, that is the RTL, how it appears. Can you see here? It is coming from right to left. That means the entire text what you are doing, it will be adjusted in between extreme right and somewhere it has to start, okay? That is just like the right alignment, it will appear there, okay? Right to left, RTL, right? So this is the way you can design and you can do all the things. Then I am going for one more program. I am going to run it here. That is the sample HTML. I am going to do this one. So if you see the sample across there, see, while I am going for the sampling, you will observe this hello world. Okay, with the paragraph it is there as it is, it will appear. But when I am going for this sample, you see some distinguished letters it will come and with some no some spaces. Okay, so once you run this program, you see, just you observe result produced by this program is hello world. How this hello world will be printed, that only you observe. Okay, that you are putting this tag samp, samp and closing tag samp, right? So I am going for this one and I am going for the sample 7 sample. If you see it here, can you check it here? Hello world, it is different things than other than the result up to this program is O1 and hello world, this sample is different, you understand? So in this way you can do and you can write a number of things there. Then coming to the program number, the script in HTML. See, how do you write the script in HTML? I told you that the script, we'll be studying this JavaScript in our next video. I have written one HTML file. The title is something head, inside the head. Then the inside the head only, inside the head, I am writing some scripting language. Okay. So what is that scripting language? For writing a scripting language, you have to use the script here. Okay. So this is the script, you have written it here. You can write it inside the body also. I enter it here inside the body, body. Okay, inside the body here, and and the scripting language here also, close the body. Okay, shift here / body, right? So this scripting language you can write inside the head, you get the body. There is no hard and fast rule. But while I am writing a scripting language here, it is, you have to use the tag script, 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 closing tag script, document.write. So for writing the scripting language, document.write, this is just like the printing something, and after that whatever the hello world I am writing, going to write it here. Okay, so Control S, what just I put it here, that is the program number 7, script writing, right? 7, I am going for the script writing, right? So while you are writing script writing, can you see here hello world, it is coming. So this is just like the fast scripting language JavaScript introduced inside the HTML, that also you can do it here, right? So in this way we can write a number of scripting languages here also. Okay, just I close some because so many files opened here. We close 1 or 2 files, then again we'll come to this one, right? Now again you come back to our previous one. Then I am going how to write the 7 smaller retain. Say suppose the typeface also we can change it by using this tag small. You see it here, the following word uses a small, using this small opening tag and closing tag, that you can understand the 7 small, right? So now I am going for this one and I am going for the 7 small. If you observe it here, can you, the small is appearing lower case than the, that means the font size is smaller than the other things. Okay, this way also you can use those are the things there. Then I am going for one more thing here. Yeah, you can find the strike through. For the strike through, that means that you are writing something, suppose it is a mistake, you are striking out that one. So like that you can use the tag strike through that one. Okay, so you see here remaining is same. For strike we are using the tag strike and closing tag strike. In between whatever the word you are writing, it will be strike, just somebody will put a line and cut it, right? So then how it is run there, you check it here, and I am writing the 7 strike through. If you double click it here, see the strike through that already in the pen, it is already strike through, it is there like that. So this is also one of the tag, you can use it here. Yeah, you can see the strike through also, you have seen it here. Now again we are moving to, this was the program number 7, I think the strike through you have seen. Then we are going with the big.html. Say suppose you can use the word big, like the small opposite will be big, that you can, the typeface you can see it here, that is nothing to do. Then how to go for the commenting multi-line. See in HTML, for commenting multiple line, just you put it the less than exclamatory your hyphen, and whatever the lines you write type there, then at the end hyphen and also the greater than sign. So once you do whatever things you are writing it here, it will not be executed. I will show this program. So other things it will be there, the body document content goes here, it will come, but this comment it will not appear there, right? So this is the program number 9. So if you run this program number 9, the okay, comment, you see the document content goes here, but what is the comment, it is not appearing, right? So sometimes you know what is the comments, it is the self-explanatory part, so you can write some comments, and sometimes it is a good practice while you are programming, write the comments, that you will see, it will explain, so no other person is required to explain for that thing, right? So these are things you can do it here using these comments. Now the second thing we can go for here, that is the I think you have covered most of the things. So suppose I am writing some addresses here. In the addresses what you write, so you use a tag address, because in the address I write the plot number, road number, comma, Jubilee Hill, all the things I put it here. So in that case you use a tag address, and inside the address tag whatever things you write, 38888 road number, say I am writing my number here, what is the number I am writing, 2 here I am writing, Gita Ashram something, I am writing it here, Gita ASH Ashram, okay. Then I am writing it here NTR mark, okay. This is the NTR mark, are you following me? Then I am writing NTR mark, and I am writing Amalapuram, and I am writing the, this is say I am writing some 533201 comma AP, right? So these are things address there, control S I put it here. So if I run this program, what is the program name number? Program number is 10. So I am going here and running this program number 10, okay. So if you type it here, you see to Gita Ashram, NTR Marg, Amalapuram, all things it is there, just like I am writing the address, everything will be done here, okay. So in this first video we covered the very basics, tags and all things here. Next tag will be going for, in the next video we'll be going for some of the cascading still and some of the other things. Till then, goodbye, please take care of your health, and if you like this video, please do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe this channel also. Thank you once again, thank you, take care of your health.